Do, do, do. Good morning, Papi Pino. Good evening, Edvidas. How are we doing today? Dun, dun, dun. Bum bum bum. Oh. Uh-oh. Are you meant to be at the gym now, no? What's up, Danger? How you doing? I'm surprised you're awake, Danger. You're like a nocturnal bat. How we doing, though, guys? Anybody? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Did you make a Star Wars map, Danger? And also, Avidas, why can't you go gym? Had my wisdom teeth pulled out, dentist, I can't go. Oh, for real. What, you're not even allowed to, are you not even allowed to do normal weights? Nah, not my thing. Yeah, I mean, I don't really like Star Wars. I know, like, near enough the whole UAFN community likes Star Wars. So, yeah, but for me, it's kind of annoying when we get every single year, we get a bloody whole month of Star Wars. Not even wait. They said they can come back tomorrow. Oh, damn. So you just gotta chill. But doesn't your work, like, I'm not gonna leak your work location, but don't you need to lift heavy things? Yeah. So what did your work say then? Oh wait, pardon me. Whew. It'd be nice if I knew how to use Figma. Okay. Wait, actually, I think I have it on a separate document. Yeah. I changed shift pattern and got booked up today. Oh, sweet. I'm just a girl in the world. How's your girlfriend that is not real? Your supposed trans girlfriend that is you trolling me.
Babe, when are you going live?
I'm already live.
Right.
I'm already live, girl. I think in here, instead of recreating my buttons, I'm just gonna go import them in. So then it just saves me time. Because I want this premium pinko button. And I can't be asked to remake it. So why waste time? Let's get it here and there. I will need to get 2 buttons. Yeah, you're trolling. It's okay. It's okay. So I want to grab close button and custom pins. But then I'm also going to rename them. So this is playtime rewards. And then jump back in. Whatever you said, say, mate. Whatever you said, say, mate. Whatever you said, say, mate. Why did you need to go to dentist anyway? 1 out of 10 rage bait. I'm not rage baiting you. I promise I'm not rage baiting. So I want to create a new one. Grab these and drag them here. Move here. What? The fuck? Literally said to get my wisdom for that. I've got terrible short-term memory at the moment. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. Maybe I can copy paste them here. Yeah, okay, cool. Close button for playtime. PT. I had one taken out, it ain't that bad. Yeah, but he's normally in the gym. Either lifting weights or like kickboxing. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Number button. Number button. That's exactly what it says, but it's not. It's trolling. Bruh. Come on now. Come on now. I'm going to go doom scroll. Enjoy, enjoy. Don't go chasing waterfalls. goody gosh. So why is it showing up now when I've tried to do that plenty of times just there? Okay. Don't go chasing waterfalls. So that looks like normal, kind of fine. And then we just, if somebody wants to customize this, they just put in whatever picture they want, or just add it as an overlay. Why is this fucking shit in my face? It won't let me close it. Okay. There we go. Stack box. Background. Cool. And then if we do this one. For the same kind of thing. This should be zeroed. About minus 120, 1080, 200. Okay. 120, 1080, 200. Yeah. Okay, and then this should be centered 120. And then we change all these images to a transparent thing. This will be like placeholder so that they can put whatever they want in here. Although that does kind of not look that nice. Maybe 25 on each. And then 15, 15. That way it's like easy to just fill in the picture that they want. I should name these better as well. Because other people will have to read these. Reward for. And then I'm thinking to have like an icon if they've claimed it or not. I'm thinking to maybe even change this hue slightly. Doesn't seem to be making a difference. Okay, there we go. Yeah. We'll go with pink. Why not? Because then it's not all going to be the same color. Yellow looks kind of fire, actually. And also then people won't be like, ugh, it's pink. That's a girl color. Awards 1 to 4. Awards 1 to 4. I'll message what's it real quick? Do you take UI commission? Depends. What are you looking for? Now message this person real quick. You can change the hue in your backrooms map so that it is yellow on this. I think it will look really cool. And then just show him that quick. Okay, back to chat. I think I need $1. Just copy all this. Copy paste. Lets me code. So 0 it all out. No, it crashed. I don't know when I last saved. That's so annoying. I know what I wanted it to look like now at least, but I didn't save in a while. Fucking epic. God damn. It's been so buggy with UIs recently. Oh, that's so annoying. I need $1, that's what I need. Hey, hey. I need more information about what is that you want. I need $1 is what I need. Hey, hey. Please say it didn't crash. No, I mean it did crash. Fuck. Please say I can still access it. I don't need to set it all up again. Okay, it said quite recently. Happy days. I need... What? It did not save recently, fucking bastard. Gotta redo it all. Oh well. Main background. Stack box. Everybody. Am I getting trolled right now? There we go. Alright, so it was 0, 120, 1080 and 200 anchored in the center. Okay, at least it was easy to remember. Image 1. Stack box, background 1 to 4. Put that in a stack box, which I already just did. Okay. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Background 1. Background 2. And 3. Cool. Normal. I think I called it normal. I did not call it normal. Number button. That was what I called it. And it was 35, 35, 25, 25. No. 15, 15, 0, 0. Duplicate. Main image 1 to 4. Main image 1. Main image 2. Maybe I can add in a couple more. Make it 5. I meant 10. Bad maths. Alrighty. Zero this out. And then maybe make it 300. Add in another. I'd say it still looks fine, to be honest. Let's delete that. Repaste it in. Then select all these. 35, 35, 25, 25. And then this was about 0. Minus 120. 13200. That all looks right, I'd say. And then we just replace this with some icons so that it's easy to know. Number. Reward 1. Reward 2. Reward 3. Reward 4. Reward 5. Paste it in. Zero it out. Should still be centered. Yep. Then offset about 25. No, okay, wrong one. Probably about 200. 150. 125. Cool. I'd say this looks like acceptable. Oh. No, you do want to keep that one zeroed. Maybe 875. I think maybe a little bit lil bit lilla. And then add minus 50. Nope. Add 25. Oops. And then I'm thinking we add the normal button. Oh, this kind of looks horrible. No? This is gonna look really weird now, actually, because the border would be stretched. If I just duplicate that and make this green, maybe. Oh, that doesn't look how I wanted it to. Maybe this one? There we go. Sweet. So that's like pretty decent. I don't like the I mean, it looks normal from smaller sizes, but I think it'll probably be fine, actually. This is so horribly organized. Okay, it works how it should be working. So, copy these, so like 300. Oh, no. That needs to stay the same. 1350 90. 90 1350. They look different sizes though, no? No, they're not. I will make these a bit smaller though. It doesn't look nice. I'm gonna remove the tick. Export. And then we'll just do the same one with black. Now the problem is that this looks better without the tick, but I feel like we do need the text on here. The text doesn't match now as well, which is a bit annoying. But, big but, I think that in general it is better though. We can take a look. It does look better, but the text doesn't look centered, even though it is. Because of this cross being slightly off-centered, it makes this look like it isn't on center. quickly save this. I don't want it to crash out on me again. And the font differences is kind of annoying me too. You're not sneaky, but
I'm not here.
can you see what I'm making?
Yeah.
What do you think?
That's nice.
Thanks for the generic. Very generic, bub. What, going both?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's too far away. I'm just gonna get rid of this X, and we will just have this for we'll just have this one with text on. Pretty sure I can delete all of this. Okay, before I do, there's not a song in heaven that we can't read. What the hell? There we go. There we go. Shaking that ass on the floor. Silky combat to explode. Get give her. I'm gonna need to check that this works on console because I did it a bit differently than the first time. Well, it does kind of look fine though, I think now. Claim close. Claim close. I'm gonna click this. Hopefully it's not a scam. Oh, it takes off the screen. The pop-ups. Easy to do that. Yep. Easy to do that. Easy to do that. Easy to do that. More than the responsible for the less correct. Yes, I just had a look through and I could definitely do oh god, clean my belly. What's my belly? We three kings of Orient are bearing gifts, we travel afar. West we find the sea, following on the star. I'm gonna need to update my daily login rewards to have this kind of simpler interface so that they can easily change what they want. That'd be a good update. For sure. For sure, for sure. My stomach hurts. Don't think I need that anymore. Overtake me, yeah. We'll open this. If I have visibility, one sec. I'm trying to think how to. One sec. I'm thinking if I have this as a float, and call this one reward 1 transparency. No. Like a reward 1 ready. And oh shit. Reward 1 ready. Can I bind it with this? I can. Okay, that makes everything easy. Reward 1 claimed. Okay, so this is going to take the whole night probably to do this to the other one as well, but it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, buddy buddy babe, it's okay, you can have him anyway. Let's turn the mic off. Okay. I think I'll also bind this in images, so then they can just put whatever picture they want in, kind of simply. I could make this all pictures, I'm thinking now. What the hell? What the fuck? That makes no sense. Okay, that was strange. What the hell? Okay, there we go. So, don't go chasing waterfalls. What the hell? Okay. Damn, my math's bad. Alright, reward 6. Reward 7. 8. 9. 10. The backgrounds can all stay the same. I keep doing that. I keep fucking pressing the same shit. So 2, 3. Alright, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll first check that it even works how I want it to work. Before. And then I think, okay, change the text to this, step background, items, or rewards. And then this one can stay as backgrounds. This one, rewards, 6 to 10, 1 to 5. Okay, we've made some progress. Surely they've got a tick in here. Just if it's my crash, you got hit by your bazooka. Probably not. Okay, so we got padlocks for the one when we went there. No. They seriously not have a tick in here. Okay, so if it's ready, it can have an exclamation point anyway. Used to just right click and let you press conform texture and it'll do it for you, but guess not anymore. That should work, right? Oh, okay, there's all the verse errors. Okay. Are the Fortnite developers rules loading for you? No, Fortnite's whole website isn't loading for me right now. Even the update page. I wanted to see what was in the new ecosystem update, but it wouldn't load. Right? Okay, it's loaded now. But no, earlier none of it was loading for me. Fortnite no longer experimental. Lightsabers, disguise, Lego assets, new buildings. Now on iOS. Cool. New XP. Black button added. New item. Developer survey. Go on, and I'll answer a developer survey. How would you rate it? Pretty unstable, to be honest. Crashes quite a lot. Have recent updates? Yes, they have broke my games. How confident that new release will not cause an issue? Not confident at all. They break everything. Test, you just shit. No, I can't write that, can you? Test more thoroughly. I can't even spell. More thoroughly with your workers before breaking, before releasing map breaking updates. Which of the following do you use for mesh creation? I don't create meshes, to be honest. Material graph nodes. Weekly. How often do you create paint? Photo. Here. How long do you create materials? I create material instances from a system of materials. All of them, yeah. How comfortable are you? Neutral, uncomfortable. Considering the recent project you have worked on, how many materials are in that project? $50 to $200. How often do you make? Very often, all the time. When importing a mesh, neutral. I want to go back and press that it's acceptable. Most of the time, it does work. How did I'm not sure. They should give me like 1,000 V-Bucks for that. Don't buy that screenshot. Need to add click events. That Jenny. Claim event and close button event. Claim event. Close button event. I think everything should be working now. I'm just gonna check. What the hell? Can't save dot 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 dot. What do you mean? I'm gonna close and reopen. Oh, it's me in big mode. What's up? Save. Continue. Okay. I'm just gonna close Fortnite. UEFN. Is it worth it to keep? Is the map worth it to keep updating? Which map? Oh, also, Aki, I seen that you got like thousands of player on your BZM map. Good job, man. I mean, I'm not sure where you took over from, but that's super fucking awesome to see. It showed up on my like front page. I was like, oh shit, that's his map. Hell yeah. What is the audience like on that map? Is it mainly I don't even know if we get location stats, do we? I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, hope you're all doing well, man. But what do you mean? Is the map worth it to keep updating? Are you on about HR Hitman or not? Because at the moment, I'm just creating playtime rewards. And then I'm going to bundle it all up into one bundle. Go 100%. Oh, for real. Because I noticed that it did have Arabic on, so I was assuming that the player base would probably be like Arabic, from an Arabic country. Cool. I'm just testing that this is gonna work correctly. I think it will. But then I'm gonna release this as a little thing that they can use. I'm gonna need to update the old one to make it better to use. But yeah, I still think you should make some kind of video on like becoming like partnered with creators, because I know that you are collaborating with so many like experienced and well performing creators. I assume that your verse 100-day series allows people to find you and know who you are. I'm not sure if you reach out to them or how that like kind of goes for you, but that's super cool. Out of like the people that I'm familiar with in the verse space, you're like doing the most collabs right now, and that's super cool. Launching session. How many collabs do you have now? You gotta have like so many, right? This is yours. That's crazy. I haven't played this, by the way. But that's so cool. This is the thumbnail that I seen in my front page. Yeah, kinda. It's inbounding, but I'm going to gatekeeping the secrets. Yeah, no, that's fair. I mean, there's not that many people that that are looking for coders and shit. So if you leaked the secret source, I'm sure you'd have way less like opportunities for yourself. I do feel like the your 100-day series probably helps you a lot though in that regard. This takes so long to load. You'd think it wouldn't take any time to load, considering I forgot to put down the verse device. Oh my gosh. What sausage? Just check to see the marks. Now, only want the best, so quality over quantity. I'm also manager first and programmer second. Oh, for sure. That's crazy. How did you transition from programmer to manager? You see, I get loads of commission requests usually on like Fiverr and shit, right? But they're always lowballing the fuck out of me, so I ignore them a lot of the time. But I still sometimes reply because you need to have like a good response rate on Fiverr. But like most of the time they're asking for like a full built fucking roguelike or tycoon for like under $100, and it's just like, do you know how long that shit takes? Yeah, but it's all about ideas now, so I don't post as much as I should. That way others don't find out the cool things that make them popular. Yeah, I mean, I guess it makes sense somewhat. Because if you just show it all, then they'll steal it themselves. And I've not stolen anything from you. Yeah, I mean, I feel like on Fiverr, a lot of the big projects are scammers as well. It's either you get lowballed or somebody with a fresh account and some kind of icon where the support will favor them if something bad happens. Yeah, it's a bit shit. I'm not sure what. Oh my gosh, I made so many mistakes in this. I was trying to push this to my Switch, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, with AI isn't about skills, just ideas. Yeah, I mean, I've used AI a lot recently. It's definitely really helpful. But like you said, like on your X post, I do feel that it takes away from your like brain power for sure. Because I feel like 10% more stupid from using it. It is still worth it. I don't think I get as much out of it as you do, but I still definitely get a lot from it. Yeah. Okay. I made a video with Claude's 2 videos. I made it edit the whole video itself, and I was so surprised at how good the quality of the video was. It did take forever for it to edit it though. It took like a whole day, I suppose, because you have to keep giving it corrections. But the more I fine tune that, I feel like the faster it will be and the less tokens it will use. If you, I'll quickly show you. I uploaded it right yesterday or something. I don't know. Recently, at least. In times, I feel like the editing is super good, especially for like AI. It does like so much cool stuff that you'd probably have to pay somebody quite a bit for. And if you was getting them to make the revisions, that may take even longer. So it is kind of fast and cheap compared to an actual editor. I also saw myself as a manager, but I couldn't manage because I sucked. So I'm still getting leverage. I need to make money and get people to respect working under me. Yeah. I mean, if you know how to probably create all the stuff, then I'm sure they'd take your word more seriously. And now that you've also collabed with so many, I guess like, I'm not brands, but you've collabed with loads of big maps and creators, I'm sure they'd listen to your ideas more so than like an average person. I do think you share a lot of cool stuff on X. Did any of you, the people that you're managing, have loads of thumbnail issues? Or was you fine in that regard? All of my maps, even until recently, were not allowing me to post any of them. I don't even think mine look so much like clones. I feel like a lot of mine are quite original. None yet. That's sweet. Do you have any, I guess, clients? I don't know. Do you have any clients on Star Wars maps? Or they're not making any? None yet. Because I seen at least like on X, 20 people are making a Star Wars roguelike. Okay, so if I... Oh my gosh, I didn't even bind these. Okay, partners, no. Okay, so that is wrong. Oh no, it isn't actually. If I do this... But time we already have big projects. Yeah, I think this is one of the collaborations that on IPs that I decided to not work with. I'm not a Star Wars guy, so I didn't feel inclined to do that kind of shit. But I know a lot of people like really love Star Wars. How many projects have you got going on? I know you've got BZM City. It's not called High City, is it? That like GTA game. Yeah, me and my girlfriend played that game quite a lot. I'm honestly kind of hitting a wall program out on maths. It takes time and it's better if I pay somebody, but most suck. I was a core on the highest I pulled out. Oh damn. Why did you pull out? Weren't worth the time investment. And yeah, I did mean Track City. Honestly kind of hitting a wall programmer on maps, but it takes time. Better if I pay somebody, most suck. Yeah, I mean, I guess I believe you. At the moment, I was learning quite a lot of verse. Now as well, since Claude, I've been using it way more. I've not really been learning anymore. I'm sure it'll be good if I continue to learn, but yeah, I'd rather just get more done. Which is probably not a good idea, but fuck it. I wasn't feeling the co-owner I was working with. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, unless you're getting like gazillion pounds, dollars, it's not worth having to cooperate with somebody that you don't like. We currently have 4 maps, 2 released, 2 pending. Oh, sweet. I think these should have texture bindings and then just set it in here. That would probably feel easier to like plug and play. And then I also think it needs better tooltips, right? because when I just plugged it all in, I put 60 in each one. I left before you published with my work on it and used AI to train models. Based on your code. I mean, I use a lot of YouTube videos. I use so many different things to give to Claude. And then it can basically do anything. My prompts a lot of the time are quite bad. But we get there eventually. Code it in UMGs. Oh damn. Yeah, I mean, I'm a bit cautious to work with people on anything I've already made. Because, not that I don't trust anyone, but I feel like they join, steal my codes, steal my assets, and then just change. They'll be like, nah, change my mind, I don't want to work on this anymore. And then they'll sell my map. They'll duplicate my map and sell it on Discord or something. I think it made 10k. Oh, that's pretty sweet. What would have your cut been on that? Because surely you would have still got a cut, no? Even if you left. Doo-doo. This looks horrible, no? It don't look that bad actually, fuck it. Pardon me. 50% and after push 50%, so I refuse because I don't want anything to do with him. Oh damn. So you for real don't like him? Why not? Was it something bad, or you just have like a personality clash, or? And I think maybe on top of this will be like claimed. I can't find a tick icon. Yeah, it wasn't my type of guy. Yeah, it's like that sometimes. So far, everyone I've ever worked with, I didn't mind them as a person. He is nice, but as a work partner, no. What? Lazy? Lazy boy. Okay, text block will work. No, not that. If you like him and he wasn't lazy, then what was he, just a noob? He was okay with mid. He was okay with mid. He was okay with you, or he was okay and he's just mid. I get it. Claimed. Oh no. Oh no. Dun dun dun. Where has my shit gone? Ah, okay. Put it inside of it. Oops. $13,200. Hey, I'm like 1738. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Bro, join a team and make brain rot games, please. Is this advice? Or is that what you're getting spam messaged? But I do feel like probably brain rot games are the best way to make money right now in the ecosystem. Nah, brain rot is how you make good money, to be honest. They've got like the highest success rates out of all maps. I'm thinking this will look okay. It's the best, only the first one is hard. After that, you can make a new one every week, and it's the trend, and it isn't that big of a scope. Only the first one is hard. What do you mean only the first one is hard? Like, I was thinking of making a kind of brain rot-ish kind of game. I didn't make it. It was a spin a box type one where you get a baddie inside of it. It was something I seen on Roblox. Spin a baddie. It was this one on Roblox, spin a baddie. I was gonna make that in UEFN. I got kind of close. I just didn't have any models, and then I just left it. Not that that's fully brain rot, but the UI inside of it was all similar to Roblox. But no, yeah, right now on actual discovery, brain rot, brain rot, brain rot. it's like the best way to go crazy. I seen a skate one as well, I think. It's like skate for brain rot or something. Yeah, skate for brain rots. And I think I seen somebody selling a system like that on X. Okay, I think I forgot to bind their visibility. Okay, so first visible non-hit, then render opacity on one claimed, two claimed, three claimed, dun dun dun. And if this will work, then I'm gonna make a giveaway on X. Yeah, the guy selling that system, it's my bro. I gotta work, see you. No worries, have a good one. Thank you for coming by, Aki. Guys, some systems, bro. That's pretty sweet, though. Yeah, have a good one and have a good, productive work session. I'll make you coffee. Wow, this is loading anyway. It ran out. You have one what? Have a coffee. Mine's brewing. The kettle's boiling. I still forgot to add in verse events. Also, did I bind that on accident? I did. Whoops. Remove that from there. Okay, but then if it did work, then it will show visible. Oh, I need a paste so bad as well. But step on this and it should show. Cool, and then when I press claim, I didn't bind claim. Okay, fuck, I need to sit down. Quickly bind this click event. Dun dun dun, where you at? On clicked event, claim event, and then link this close event. And then I can quickly check it's working how it should be. It looks like it is though. Danger, you're gonna update your fishing map. Well, yours and Chet's fishing map as well. You're working on one with Chet on a reward one claimed. Okay, sweet. So now it should show all of them. Those two shouldn't say claimed. I think I just forgot to bind them. Reward 4 ready, reward 5 ready. I've definitely made a mistake in here. Because these three shouldn't be showing, and this one should also say claimed here. Reward 2. Okay, that is correct. Reward 3. Reward 4. Reward 5. What? I'm so confused. Why is this broken? This one's linked up to the wrong thing. This one should be 5 claimed. This one is also on linked to claimed. Okay, at least that is part of the issue. Oh shoot, 4 claimed, 3 claimed, 2 claimed, 1 claimed. Okay, ready 1, ready 2, ready 3, ready 4, ready 5. Ah, okay, I messed up all the bindings. 5. While this loads, I'm gonna check your new video. I seen it come up on my page, but I didn't watch it. So, Danger Mouse. NPC. Hey, we got the same NPC. Away. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Oh, you got a kit like a damaged animation. That's super cool. How much damage is it? Like what? It looks like if they have half health, they fall over. Pow. Hey, do a backflip. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Isn't that enemy there in your horror game? Pretty cool, pretty cool. Skibbity poppity pom pom pom. I do need to check that the claim triggers aren't double claiming. So I will add some kind of gold in here. Okay, so we've got all of the time. Claim it. And then it should all be claimed. There we go. There we go. I don't think it looks that good though, but It's not terrible, I guess. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello. I'm gonna add bindings next so that they don't have to open the widget to change these numbered slots. This is again, I gotta I think the only problem with this, you don't like the yellow? Damn, that's so offensive. There you go, it's green. Being horrible. Green don't look better though. Actually, green kind of does look better because it's green here as well. But then this one has a lot of green. I wish I had a lot of green. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello. No bad. Not bad. Very good. I think I'll have to make it into a material instead. And then just let them multiply by whatever color they want it to be, right? That might be the better way to do it. Oh, that doesn't look good because of the white writing. If I had the white writing separately, it would probably be fine. No, yeah, that is definitely not the way forward. What do you think of blue? But blue is the same color as all the other ones. Like the purple blue one. Okay. Like the blue is shedding into purple. Okay. I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello, chicken nuggets, Pinocchio. What's this? Number 6? Number 6, 7. Okay. I chose the wrong one. This one should be 1 to 5. This one 6 to 10. Working 9 to 5. Cooking, pushing, getting ready for the fight. Pushing, getting ready for the fight. It's just win, lose or die. Da, 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 da. I think as well, I haven't added this, but once they've claimed the 10th one, it should reset over. Once the player has reached and claimed the 10th one, it should restart over. Also, I'm looking to add 10 reward icon pictures that are editable so that I can easily have allow them to change it. Think about me, baby, I know that's that be espresso. Ready 6, ready 7. Okay, I already did all the readies down there. Rewards, all of the claimed. I think everything is done. Dun dun dun. Oh no, actually I'm gonna add, I forgot, yeah, add these pictures, reward pictures for editables, so then they don't need to open up the widget. Coldest story you ever told. Reward 1, texture. Pushing, getting ready for the fight. Oh, it's getting hotter in here. Fucking hell. My ass is sweating. And my armpits. They're only just starting to sweat though. You can just see it a little bit. Pushing, getting ready for the fight. Ooh, 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 ooh. I was trying to multiply. Instead, if I do hue shift, right? Because if I do it like that, that looks horrible. That looks so horrible. Okay. But I did put them in the wrong place, actually, so. This is good, this is good. This means this allows them to change the color, which they couldn't really do before if they couldn't figure out how to do that. What's my Pookie up to? Wrong way around. Yeah, I just noticed that. What's up, Cran? How you doing? Right now, we're just creating playtime reward for Patreon. And I'm going to sell it all as one big bundle and then hopefully get a couple of sales. Oh no. We need to add in the transparency as well, though. Dun, dun, dun. But yeah, I'm good. How you doing? You're studying for exams, right? How's that going? Oh yeah, sweet, sweet. Because the other version was not customizable. Simply. Convert to parameter. Hue shift. When your next map releasing? Next map, I'm gonna update HR Hitman first, and then continue to load. I've got like a couple of horror maps. The roguelike which you commented on YouTube, which is this one. Remember I'm meant to be doing a collaboration on another roguelike as well, but I'm just waiting for the guy to send it to me so I can sort it all. But I also made like a powers kind of thing that I'm going to release on Patreon as well. I'm just trying to spam Patreon at the moment. People on your map have got some crazy wins. I've seen people, like quite a lot of people with 1k plus wins. It's pretty mad. Is Patreon doing good? It's doing better than Fortnite maps are, for me at least. And it's kind of like it feels like a guarantee to get a payoff, whereas with a map, sometimes it's not feeling like you're ever going to get a payoff. We had this like as a nice purple. Oh, that looks horrible. What the fuck? What the hell? Is it all UMG? Basically, yeah. All they're gonna need to do is setup, texture bindings. So they'll just choose the playtime and then choose the image. They don't really have to do anything. Which is what I need to go improve my previous one so that it's way more easy to use, like this one will be. I could have this hue shift be set inside of here as well, but it wouldn't matter because this, if they chose green, they'd probably expect it to be green, but it makes it look pink. I wish I was better at materials so I could make this super cool and customizable in a better way than what it is right now. Oh. Oh, sorry if you can hear them kids shouting and shit. Okay, should be fine. I'll quickly take a look at this. It should all be working regardless, but just in case. Playtime. Ah, okay. Yeah, it was working how I wanted it to. I just don't have all of the all 10 milestones. Okay. Could Crown out question you? Could you consider adding a giant zombie for a battle? Oh, she also rages at those golden zombies that give you a 10x reward. She's like, rah, these are too strong, I'm gonna cry. Oh, wrong one, wrong one. Okay. Want to proceed for a week amount of time right now. Speaking of which, I'm gonna go eat. So have fun with the rules. Isn't looking good. Play ways and we'll keep going. Thanks for popping by, crying. I don't know if you're still here, but enjoy your food and thanks for dropping by. And I will enjoy making this too. Jam. Jam. Ruby, 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 Ruby. Give me, to me, Ruby. Da, 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 da. think I can delete this. Why is it saying I can't? What the hell? That doesn't make sense. Because I'm using these actually, I think is the reason why. Well, next up is making a texture in here. So I need to give Claude a file I already made because it doesn't know what to do, and it's faster than me doing it myself. Kingdom. Power up. Pardon me. Pretty sure it was this one. I had it changed loads so that it knew what to do with it. Oh, my earphones are gonna die. Oh, my phone's also gonna die. That's not good. Now watch me whip. Da ba ba da 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 da. Think about me, baby. I know that's that big espresso. Once I get this done, I'm probably gonna go wash. I do need to think about new videos to make as well. Videos be pretty cool. As well, videos last forever. Lives don't last that long, really. What the hell? That is the strangest name of a song ever. On my YouTube suggestions. Look at that. What the hell? I'm not keeping that on the screen in case YouTube tries to ban me, even though it's not even me saying it. Can you hear the broken? Da, 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 da. What the hell? There's lots of kids shouting outside. I don't know if my mic's picking it up or not though. Compile verse. Everybody, yeah. Wrap your body, yeah. Everybody, yeah. Okay, now we have a reward icon set. By default, I think I'm just gonna go set this to yeah, just for the sake of displaying it. And then I'm gonna go wash and then test it all out afterwards. For the moment, I'll just set the first 5 and see what's happening. Start running my bath. Dun, dun, dun. Did it work? It should work. Cool, it worked. I'm gonna go take a giant shit. Have a good day, everyone. I don't think I go back live today, but I will come back live tomorrow. So just make sure you come see me tomorrow, otherwise we're gonna have problems.